Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the assembly and saving a versioned file name so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable the Configurations tab and make sure the Feature Manager tree is visible so you can access part instances. Next, identify which parts or subassemblies need alternate sizes, features, or mates, and note the exact dimensions or mate types you will change. This sets a clear scope and prevents accidental edits to unrelated components while you add configuration entries. You now create configurations by right-clicking the target part or subassembly and choosing Add Configuration. Name each option clearly. Then edit each configuration. Change dimension values, suppress or unsuppress features, and lock mate states so assembly behavior is predictable. For multiple variants, use a configuration table or configuration publisher to populate parameters quickly and reduce human error. Make sure to rebuild after edits and validate that each configuration loads the intended geometry and mates to avoid downstream fit or interference. Finish by systematically switching through every configuration and rebuilding the assembly to confirm geometry, clearances, and mates behave as expected. Then update any drawing views and the BOM so they reference the correct active configuration names and quantities. Finally, save backups and record the naming convention and key parameters so teammates can reproduce changes. Troubleshooting tip: if a configuration fails to rebuild, isolate the part. Check suppressed features and mate references, then fix broken references before reintegrating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.